I'm Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today we're going to make chicken wings. Very simple but very different. So we're gonna use 4 simple ingredients: chicken wings, fresh mint, lime zest and juice, and lots of garlic and salt and pepper, of course. So I have about 2 pounds of wings here, and you can either grill them or broil them on the baking sheet. So the way I like to do is cover the baking sheet with the foil and then use this because all the fat kind of drains on the bottom, so it will be less calories for you. I'm just gonna spray lightly so that they don't stick on that, and place my wings here. Okay. It's good if you leave like little room in between and arrange like that so they cook evenly. Alright, that's good. Let's season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. No oil. They have enough fat and we don't need to add more. And it's pretty much done. I have to put it in the broiler and broil about 10-12 minutes. We'll see, maybe longer. Alright, good. Alright, we're gonna make sauce for our chicken wings with the mint. Just gonna put all this garlic. I have 7 garlic cloves. You can put more or you can put less, doesn't really matter. And lime zest. I just like this one with lime. I like to put a lot of mint because that's the only herb that we are using for the sauce. It just gives the wings wonderful flavor. I'm just taking the leaves. We don't need this stem. Alright, so our chicken wings are ready. This is Lile, and she's gonna help me move that wings in the bowl. You're gonna need that to hold that, Lile. Okay. I just hold that. Lift that.
Dump it.
And yeah. Oop. I always do that. Something always flies away. Flies away. Go back. And then you can mix that. Okay? I actually like to kind of shake it, but I don't know if you can do that without splashing all over your dress. So
I'll just mix it a little bit.
You can just mix it. So when they are hot, they absorb the flavor faster, and it's not gonna get soggy. It's gonna be still dry and crispy. But we have to make sure that.
Do you want to shake it? Yep. And then I'll do it after.
And mix it really well so all the chicken wings are coated with the mint and garlic sauce. Yeah, that's like, okay, that's perfect. All right.
It smells really good.
All right. Moment of truth.
Wow, it's really fresh.
Good.
I taste the lime too. It's really good.
Oh, good. Yeah. All right, that was our chicken wings with mint and garlic sauce, and this is Lile. If you like this episode, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next week.